We're making sweet potato salad today. It's great for vegan or vegetarian barbecues and potlucks. We're going to make the dressing first. Take a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, add it to your vegan mayonnaise, and then salt and pepper. Mix that together to make your potato salad dressing. Keep it simple to let the flavors of the sweet potatoes and the pineapples really shine through on this salad. Then we're going to take our baked sweet potatoes. Now you can microwave them, you can roast them, you can bake them, steam them, however you want to cook them. Then we'll add in pineapple. I highly recommend using fresh pineapple. To that, we will add chopped celery. You could use jicama if you prefer. And to that, we're going to add a bell pepper, whatever color you prefer. If you wanted a little heat, you could do a poblano. And then we're going to add red onion. We are going for as much color in this salad as possible. We'll add the dressing to that and toss it gently so that you don't break down the sweet potatoes. Now, as you are serving this, be sure to chill it. And I really recommend making it the day before so that the flavors can really meld. But when you get ready to serve it, you could add some toasted pecans and it would be phenomenal. We're going to add some chopped parsley, and you've got a great, healthy side dish. Yum.